So I'd like to make a quick few thank yous. Thank you to all your parents. You guys are awesome. Give a quick hand for your parents. You can do a slide class because they help you practice. And thank you to all of you for encouraging them to do this and getting all these instruments. This is wonderful. And all of our administration and Mrs. Jaworski, she makes our job so easy because she teaches all those skills in the beginning. And Mr. Red and Mr. Bartman, who's our department head in the back. And all of our administration, because without all of them, we absolutely couldn't do without the support. So thank you.